Hello everyone, this is Mustafa Sharaf, 46-2690 from Team Al Maraha. Today I'll be showing you our project. The project is all about a university web application that we are going to surf through all its features. Basically our project is divided into three parts. The first part is the part for the student when the student logs in. The second one is for the instructor or TA or doctor, whatever. The third part is for the admin. So let's start and go through the student part first. Sorry, that was typically smooth loading screen. If you're not a student, you just click here to apply. You just fill up the application below, full name, whatever the info, and you just press apply. I want to add a small note here that some features are not interactable, like the scroll down and the text fields, because Figma is so limited and doesn't have the ability to do such interactable buttons or interactable actions, whatever. Interactive, I mean. We just log in, and this is our home page. As student, you have 4 features or 4 things to do here. You can go through your courses, through your schedule, your assessments, and transcript. First things first, we can check the course category. You can check the course content here, your course content. Not all of them are interactable. I'm just giving you an example. The red circle here is for notification. That's something new is here and you didn't see and you haven't seen yet. We can go through computer architecture. Here's an example of the course content, week 1, week 2, the watch and download and report buttons. We can watch the lecture, and we can report if there's some issue in the video or something. And we can download also the video or the slide. Okay, we go back to courses. There is a second feature in courses that you can register courses. These are my current courses that I'm currently studying. I can drop any one of them. We can drop that one. It's a warning message that pops up. Are you sure you want to drop this course? You will not be able to undo the current process, and you will receive half payment of your course. Moreover, you are fully responsible of such action. You just press confirm that I want to do so. Whatever, let's refresh this. We can go through registrations. If you want to add a new course that you are not studying or currently studying, it tells you that course has been added to payments. Please go to payments page to confirm registration. So we go back to the payments page. These are the courses that I've chosen. You just press confirm payment. Your course has been registered. Thank you for registering courses, and you press OK. This is an example of a non-interactive button. We pretend that we are in a winter semester or something. Okay, we go to schedule. There's 2 things that we can do. My schedule. Here you can attend the current ongoing lecture, like this one. This is a live video. You just go and watch the live stream. We go back. That's the only thing we can do here. You can go also to group schedule to see the schedule of the whole group. It's typically like yours if you have the same subject as everyone else, same subjects as everyone else. You go to my assessments, exam schedules. These are the upcoming exams. You can go to assessments. something is starting soon. We go check. This one is starting right now, for example, and we press attend that I want to attend the exam. You just read the instructions. This is the exam year that you are attending, today's date, the exam duration, you take the exam, and this is the remaining time. You just solve the exam MCQ and just submit your answers, and the answers have been submitted. Just in case you had any kind of problems during the exam, please contact the staff of the course. Thank you for taking the exam. Good luck with your results, and we go back home. Two more things that we can do with our assessments. We can apply for an excuse. We can choose the exam you want to postpone. In case you're sick or something, you just click here to choose the course that you want. You state your reason and you submit the excuse. Your excuse has been submitted. Staff will respond to your excuse via email within 2 to 3 days. Okay, last thing, we can view our grades. For example, in computer architecture, these are the quizzes and projects grades, the current grades in the middle of the semester and the ongoing semester. That's all for the assessment. We go to transcripts. You can choose the year you want to see your transcript. The only clickable one is the winter 2018. You just see the courses that you have taken, credit hours, numerics grade, and the total GPA you got. And that's all for the student. We shall go to the instructor login. The instructor login is typically as the student login, nothing different. You just confirm your identity. This is a new feature that is added to the instructors. The newsfeed here is just posted by the admin, and you're going to see how it's done later on. There are 3 things that you can do as an instructor. You can check your courses, the course that you are teaching in the university. For example, computer architecture, it's typically the same as my course content as a student, but the only difference is you can just watch lectures, save lectures, report issues. It's typically as a student. The only feature which is new here that you can edit content, and you can do 2 things. You can edit a current content. For example, you can rewrite the announcement. You can upload more content like lectures or slides. We press done, or you can just add a new week here. Week 3, you write the announcement, you start the upload of the week 3 stuff, and you press done. That's all for courses. You go to schedule. Schedule here is typically like the students one. The only thing which is different here is that you don't attend a lecture, you go live when the time comes for your lecture. You press go live and the screen starts recording. You do whatever you want throughout your computer. You can stop recording here and so on. Last thing, the assessment. You can do as an instructor 4 things here. You can go through the exam schedule, see the upcoming exams as student, or you can check out your assessments. You can just do 2 things. You can edit an existing exam. You can write the exam time, or set the exam time, I mean, and date, and you choose the course that you want by typing down its name. You write the instructions by yourself and you press next. You set the exam's duration, the duration you want, the exam type you want, final, quiz, whatever, midterm. You write the question you want here. You write the choices that you want. Whenever you finish the first choice, you just press this button to refresh it and submit the choice that you have written before, and you can add one more ABC whatever, and you go for the next question to like question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you submit your exam. The exam has been submitted. Thank you for sitting the exam. You go back home. Sorry about that. We can go throughout the assessment to review excuses, the excuses that have been made by students. You can check it, you can read the request, you can reply for them, and you can accept or refuse their request. You can also go to grades, and you can set grades here as you've seen before. And that's it all for the instructor. Now we go to the last one, which is the admin. The admin doesn't do that much stuff here in this application, but you can go and serve there. Let me fit this. You just press login. Here's when you are the only one who can post use for the TAs and doctors. For example, if week 3 is off for all students, semester is extended 2 more weeks, and stuff like that. All you can do as admin is just go to courses, and you can review content as everyone else, but you cannot add or edit anything here. You just review stuff, and you watch videos and reports as we have shown you before. Obviously, as an admin, I can access any kind of course that I want, so we have added a search bar here, so you can search for a specific course by the course code or course name. We can go through schedules. Okay, as an admin, I am the one who is responsible for creating schedules, so these are the schedules that is already done by me as an admin. We can open this one, view the schedule, search for a scheduler, because this list is going to contain all the schedules of the university, with all the majors, with all the groups, with all the semesters. Okay, you can search by major, group, or semester. You can also create a new schedule, and you choose the course that you want to add, and you just type down the major of this schedule, the group of this schedule, the semester of this schedule, and you press add course, and done. Okay, you can go to transcript and check out everyone's grade, every student on university. You can search by name, major ID, or GPA. You can check this one, choose the year, and here it is. And as for new applicants, here's the students that has applied for the university, and you see all the info that has been submitted, or the application, and you accept or deny, wherever. And that's all for the project. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this one, and